Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do another foot mask review. I've seen this one, my feet is really dry because of cosmetology. They changed our uniforms for this semester and we had to wear all black, including black socks. And I don't know about y'all, but I hate black socks, just saying. So it's hard to find stuff that helps you with really dry feet. So I'm going to try this tea tree oil moisturizing foot mask. And it is socks like I normally use. So this is to relieve, replenish, and revitalize dry, damaged feet. So step 1 is wash with warm water and dry your feet. Then open the packet, gently pour socks, tight foot mask along the top open seam, and slip over the feet. Leave on for a minimum of 20 to 30 minutes. Though you may keep on longer, as desired. After taking off mask, no need to rinse. Just massage the excess formula into your feet. And then also within the treatment period, if foot mask is too loose or you need to walk around, please wear regular socks on top of the foot mask. So I'm going to go wash my feet and then we're going to apply this. Well, put them on. I'll be back. Okay, so I washed my feet, dried them. So now we're going to apply the socks. I have my booties because my feet always gets cold with these. So hopefully I have a better experience with these. They're just white. And I guess it doesn't matter what side goes to what. Normally they're labeled. But these aren't labeled, so we're just going to cut at the top of this ridge. And then we're just going to stick it on my foot, like so. And these don't have the tape like the ones normally do that I have. So I'm just going to put them on and then stick them in my booties. Which my feet tend to get cold anyway, so I always wear socks with these treatments. And considering these don't have tape like they normally do to tape them where they're secured and won't come off, I would suggest putting socks on just so that, unless you plan on just like sitting there and relaxing watching TV or something, then you'll be fine. But I tend to walk around a lot while I'm doing this stuff because I have stuff to do around the house. So I will see y'all back in 30 minutes. Okay, as it has been 30 minutes, so I'm going to pull these socks off. There's one. And then I'm just going to massage the rest in. Or rub it in, whatever you want to call it. And hopefully this helps. I'll let you know. I will make a shorts video telling you if it worked or not. Because my feet is really dry. I don't like my feet, but I did take videos of my feet before. I just don't know if I will post the video because I don't like my feet, but we'll see. So for now, that's it. I'm gonna see how this does. I might come back later on tonight, and let you know if they feel any better. And give you my opinion on if I think it moisturized and done anything to my feet. So for now, that's
guys,
it.
So going through editing this video, and I didn't make a video on how I liked it. So I like this foot mask better than any of the other ones that I've reviewed. It did make my feet softer, and I just keep lotion on them now. I bought some new lotion, so it helps. And it is from Dr. Teal's or whatever. So if you want a video about that, I will show you that. But this foot mask helped really good. It softened my feet. I scrubbed them in the shower quite a bit to keep the dead skin off, the dry skin. Because like I said, I hate black socks. And that's what we had to wear in our cosmetology uniform. I've never liked wearing black socks. So, if you like foot mask, try this one. I like this one the best. And I hope you like my review. If there's any other reviews you want to see me do, comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for now, that's it. And I'll see you next time.